In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a passcode on your Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets files using extensions. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first step is to create the passcode form. So go to Google Drive and look for the new icon on the left side of your screen. Once you click on that, a menu will pop up. From there, select Google Forms. You'll want to start a blank form to keep things simple. Once you're in the form, go ahead and title it something straightforward, like Access Passcode Verification. This title will help anyone understand the purpose of the form right away. Next, let's change the first question. Instead of the default question, type in, "What is the password?" For the question type, select Short Answer to allow users to type in their response. Now, it's crucial to make sure that this field is required. So, toggle the Required switch to the On position. This way, no one can submit the form without entering a password. The next step is to set up password validation. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the bottom right corner of that question box. From this drop-down, choose Response Validation. Here, you'll set the validation rules to text, and then choose either Contains or Matches depending on your preference. In the text field, enter the password you want users to enter to access the file. Add some custom error text too, like incorrect password, please try again. This message will help guide them if they make a mistake. Once you've done that, it's time to get your file link. Open a new tab in your browser and go back to Google Drive. Find the file that you want to protect with the passcode. Once you've located it, right-click on the file and select Copy Link. You'll see a pop-up that confirms the link is copied, which is great because you'll need that in just a moment. Now let's connect the file to the form. Go back to your Google form and click on the Settings tab at the top. Here, you'll want to expand the presentation section. Look for where it says Confirmation Message and click Edit. In that section, paste the Google Drive file link you copied earlier and then click Save. This way, when users enter the correct passcode, they will see a link to your file in the confirmation message. Finally, it's time to test and share your form. Click on the preview icon, which looks like an eye in the top right corner. Enter the correct password and submit the form. If everything is set up right, you should see the link to your file in the confirmation message. Once you're satisfied with how it works, share the form's link, not the direct file link, with those who need access. This ensures that only those who have the password can access your Google Drive file. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a passcode for your Google Drive files, Docs, and Sheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.